Well, it looks like we completed the program, and 3 days, well, 2.5 days, which we spent together, they flew very fast. And I will not be able to, to repeat everything what has been said, but I think in this workshop we tackled 3 very important areas. Areas about importance of nutrition education for the first 1,000 days period, and who has to be busy with that. It's not just the parents, it's a different level of public health settings, healthcare professionals, childcare, and that brought us to the next session when we were talking really how difficult it is to bring knowledge which we know, even we know that we have a lot of gap, how difficult it is to bring it in the policies, in the guidelines, in the recommendations, and at the end of the day to make it work. And definitely there is a bright future, but bright future only when we start to work together, when we put together efforts of academy, of private sector, of practitioners, of people, of community, and then we definitely should be successful. And that's what brought us to session today. I enjoyed it very much, not only because I'm a doctor, I never had this experience to do what you're doing, maybe because I was a neonatologist, you really cannot a group coaching with the neonates, but yeah. But I think what is important and what we learned today, that there is a traditional ways of looking at things, there are traditional way of medicine and management of disease and preventing disease. But I'm very happy to learn that we are looking for something more innovative, for different ways, taking in consideration that the world is changing, and we are human. We are looking differently at the way we communicate, and we would like that people communicate to us. Saying this, I want to appreciate all of you, because all of you equally put a lot of effort into this program with 3 great chairs, Maureen Black, Mary Story, and Helen. Its program had been done in a quite short time. In a quite short time, we put the draft of the program. And I thank all speakers because you said, yes, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. And it's quite a time you dedicated to this workshop. I appreciate it really very much. Thank you, because you share your experience with the world. I think we had more than 3,000 people watching us in these days, and we expect another few thousand who will be watching us in upcoming days, because we will keep all these videos which we filmed till the 1st of October. They will be online. Please share this information with your colleagues, with your universities or institutions, because they just can go to the NNI website, click and see any of presentation which has been presented during 3 days. And of course, I thank each of you because you were asking questions. And even if you didn't ask any questions, it doesn't matter. You learned something and you took this point with you. I always feel sad when the workshop finishes, because it's a long way we come to this event. And but this event would not be possible without people whom we don't see, because a lot of organizational work is behind that, and to make it available after the workshop to thousands of people. It's thanks to all of you sitting there. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, behind the screen. And my request to you: share this information. Share information about the Nestle Nutrition Institute. You learned what is this. You learned that we are really very sincere care about nutrition education, with the main purpose to improve quality of people's life in the world. And that's it, what I want to say today. For those who didn't get your certificates, you can get it outside of the room with the group picture which we did in the first day. And most of you are traveling, or you have other plans. For those who are staying in the hotel, Christine is organizing dinner, which will be at 7 o'clock, most probably on the ground floor in the restaurant on the ground floor. She will confirm it, but at 7 o'clock, please be there, enjoy your evening, have a safe travel back, and I'm looking forward to meet you again, because this is just the beginning of a journey. Thank you very much.